here and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're here at Joed's Lutong Hapon here in Basak, Lapu-Lapu City. So they're located in front of Savers Home Depot. So unahan na siya sa Gaisano Grand Mall guys. So dali na dyan kay siya tutulod. And today we're going to celebrate in advance the birthday of my boyfriend, and I'm with Tita, Jude's mom, and Jude's aunt. And while waiting for our food guys, kay naka-order naman me. So, na sila tari ko ka ng live na dari ka mo kanta-kanta. Oh, this is Jude's uncle there. So si uncle kay mo kanta siya. And by the way, this is Sir Joed. Hello Sir Joed.
Welcome to Cebu. Yes.
Actually, it's my first time here and kanang na-curious gid ko kay always ko makita ni Maan na dire ba? Muna na.
My wife, Joanne.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Best friend ni Margaret.
Ah, okay. So that's why. Oh, shout out din ka Margaret kay tungkol sa mong post kay nakari ko dire thinking nash. Subscribe sud mo sa iyang channel ni Margaret, guys. So yeah, mag-enjoy lang mi dire. They serve authentic Japanese food and cuisine. And yeah, muna siya guys. May tasaman.
May kanta. Sa may kanta.
Nara may lyrics sila.
Sa kanta ko?
Sa makantao na to si Tita. Alright guys, so here's our orders. We ordered Bukkake teriyaki rice bowl, nami ibi tempura, nami diri mga beef, mga rice bowls, and nag-order sud mi og maki, and of course there ang sagan ini siya? Kozoko ramen and black garlic ramen, and kang tita sa imong order tita?
Karagi.
Karagi mo na siya, karagi and chicken, and basta mo na siya guys. So wala siya ni kabaw sa mga nga nila, pero kailangan mga una ta guys. Let's eat! Yay! Happy birthday baby!
Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you! Yeah, mag-birthday wala dire.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, happy birthday. So I got for tonight.
Musta man mo dire ha? Okay ha?
And go for a ride. Hey, 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 don't pray. Go try and walk and follow the sun. Make it someday.
So guys, pag-uman pa na mo kaon guys, grabe ka na kami ang mga foods diri sa Joed's. And I like the katong akong ikaon, and also their eating for ug ang ramen nila the best ang ilahang black. Unsa kaya nito? Black garlic blah blah. So after mo kaon, so nagkaon ka guys kay na kay madungga na mga kuan, mga ng music, na nagkanta. So pwede sa kamukanta.
It's your smile, friend, your lips that miss. The sweet little mouth and me.
Ron kay nagkuhan namin sa mga bill. Actually kay busog kayo po. Maglisod kay lihok-lihok. Tapos sa mga tita.
Gusto kayo eh.
Kamusta man nilang pagkaon ng Japanese ko ano?
Okay naman ang Manila. Okay plan.
Japanese ni guys.
Sakto lang.
Kami nag-celebrate sa birthday ni Jude. Yay! Namit 10% discount there guys. Yay! Thank you Sir Joed!
Work man tayo.
cash lang.
The way tonight inside. Hey, what on the goods?
Yeah.
The chefs are ready, so fun tonight. He's not here.
It's not.
He's gone to the sea.
Yeah, naglayag.
Birthday.
Happy birthday to Rico! Baruhot!
Hello, Zeus.
Picture na dito.
Your tenderness grows.
Dahil pa na.
In my ear.
Happy birthday, baby! Dapat na isa. Asa na nila? Joed's Lutong Hapon. It's a Japanese restaurant. And,
Happy birthday, my dear son.
oh, so namin na rin ang dinner na camera ni Tita and sila kaya wala man dili akong uyab. So kami lang sa nag-celebrate. Come on, Del. Samahan niyo masulting. Speechless. Na-speechless sila. Ikaw, Uncle.
Great birthday.
Oh, saka.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Judy.
Ah?
Thank you.
Ah? Ikaw.
Busog kayo, wala ko naubos ako ng shake.
So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And also, guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is I am Daisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my boyfriend's channel. That's Jude Rico. So, pang birthday na nyo yan, guys. So, subscribe na mo, okay? And also, please visit Joed's Lutong Hapon here in Basak, Lapu-Lapu City, guys. Kaya highly recommended ilang mga pagkaon. And affordable lang sa bagay siya. Dili siya ina naka-mahal. But kanang kung nakita mo og kanang Japanese na taste, and if you want something new na kanang rag kuan lahi sa kuan mga Filipino, okay, so you should try it here. So that will be all. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye. Happy birthday, baby! Yay! Ako na lang mo blow sa mong candle, okay? Manaw?